Hey, welcome to the Prosti, and in this video I will show you how you can set up a Cron. Basically Cron is used for automation. So log in your Prosti account and scroll down, click on CPanel icon. When you click, it will automatic redirect to CPanel account. Find here your Cron. When you type Cron, you get an option Cron Job. Here you can get an example of Cron. When you want to set any PHP Cron, then use this lines. Example, this is a directory of PHP installation on server, and this is your home directories URL, and this is your public underscore HTML, and here is the path of cron script. So copy it. I will copy this demo script and set it as every 5-minute cron. Every 5 minute server will automatic ping this path and click on add. When you click on add, it will automatic ping every 5 minutes for this path. I will recommend never use wrong details because it will send also a mail for cron success. So if you want to stop success mail, then copy this line and paste on last of your cron command. It will stop sending mail of success, not a failure mail. You get all mail of fail cron record. So I will recommend never use wrong command. It might will be affect your server IP address. So meet in next video. Bye, have a great day.